Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Trina wig by TressAllure in the color Champagne. Now, the color name might kind of throw you off because when I think champagne blondes, I think of kind of like light beige-based blondes. And while this is a beige-based blonde, so it's got that right, this is definitely more of like a dark champagne color. So I think they should change the name to dark champagne, but that's just me. But you can see here that it's definitely, you know, got that nice neutral sort of beige blonde thing going on. And by the way, Trina is way cuter on than she looks on the manufacturer pics, as you can probably see on me. This is actually a super cute wig. And I'll show you that in just a moment. But yeah, like this color is definitely like a dark beige blonde. Like almost a light brown. It's a very, very pretty color, very neutral, very nice, especially if you're trying to get away from the gold blondes. So let me go ahead and do a little 360 so I can show you what Trina looks like all the way around. Yeah, she's got all this luscious layering. You can kind of see my bio hair poking through there. But luscious layering, beautiful layering, and a lace front for off the face styling, which is great. It's a nice lace front too. But yeah, I love the texture on Trina because if you mess her up a little bit, she's still really cute. Which means this one's essentially a little bit longer version of a shake and go. It's a great wig. I really like this Trina. I love the styling of it. You know, it's fresh. It reminds me a lot like what you would see like in the 90s. And I don't mean that in a bad way, like at all. Like that's totally on trend right now, but it totally looks like a kind of 90s short like haircut. It's really, really cute though. It does bring me back though to the days. My youth, misspent as it was. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take Trina off and then I will show you the cap construction and then we'll put it back on and I'll talk some specs. So here is what the cap on Trina looks like. Before I do anything else, I wanna show you this monofilament side part. It's kind of hard for me to show it sometimes, especially in the lighter colors when the wig's on my head, so I wanted to wait till I took it off. But you can kind of see it a little bit better when I kind of shove it right up in the camera like that. She does have a lace front. It's a little bit like I would consider this kind of a sparse lace front, but it still works. And in these lighter colors especially, they just kind of blend right in. And it's only really sparse at the part on this particular sample wig. She does have permatease here on the side where the part doesn't cover because she's only got that monofilament side part there. So all this where that rose lace is, permatease. She's open wefted on the sides, open wefted in the back. She does have an extended felt nape, which is awesome. And then Velcro adjusters, which we also like. Let's see how stretchy she is. Pretty stretchy. I mean, not super duper stretchy, not like an Aesthetica cap, but comfortable on. I didn't have any trouble getting this one on or off. My nape hair is a little unruly right now though, so the short length of this nape was kind of giving me some issues when I put it on. That's because I'm trying to grow out my nape hair, so that's more my fault than the wig. And yeah, the ear tabs are covered with a nice soft fuzzy felt too. So let me show you that color up close. You can see it's a little bit more like a light brown here at the nape, and it gets gradually lighter as you get towards the top of the wig, but still the overall color, in my opinion, is more like a dark champagne blonde. It is not a light color at all. Very pretty color though. All right, so now that I've got Trina back on, let me talk some specs for you. The front fringe is 3.5 inches, so definitely meant to be swept off to the side. And to me, this doesn't seem like 3.5 inches at all, BT dubs. This definitely seems like it's more like 4.5. The crown down is 4.5 inches, and the nape is 2.5, so she's real short in the back, as you saw when I turned around. I do think she hits in really flattering angles here in the front. This is a super light wig. It's only 2.1 ounces, so really comfortable on. Very nice cap features, by the way, as I showed you when I took it off. Love the lace front on this one. So yeah, this is the Trina by TressAllure in the color dark champagne. And I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. If you like what we're doing here, please be sure to check out my wig store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com, otherwise known as CysterWigs. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.